These are from PowerAsia. Recessed lights, 360 degrees. We're going to show you and demonstrate how these lights work and how to do an install. From the company PowerAsia, this is how the product comes. 1000 lumens, 9 watt, 50,000 hours of life. It is a recessed light with a gimbal, 360 degree rotation in different kelvins from 2500, 2600 up to 6000, controlled by the switch that you wire up 110 volt AC to the ceiling. You're going to be cutting a hole out with a recess tool for your lighting. How the box is presented to you when you open up, you have an instruction guide to go over. Inside will be your gimbal, your lights. They're about 4 inches in diameter. You have your control box, 2 keyholes to lock up to the ceiling, and a special connector to twist together. Inside the control box is going to be your hardware, your connectors, your ground, black and white lead, and on the side is going to be your Kelvin switch. A hole is cut out. Your junction box, they have notch outs that get pushed out. And you're going to run leads through correctly with your Kelvin chosen, placed to the side and allow your cable to come out so your hands can get in and change your Kelvin switch. Lock down the box with optional screws. One for the ground, your wire connector. One for the white, your neutral. And one for the load. Your clips are on. Your leads are now through and ready to connect your black, your white. With all the leads connected, close up your covers and ready to put your recessed 360 degree light in. As you can see how they adjust and angle. From the bottom, you're going to place in your plugs, match up notch to notch. Push in, washer meets the white, and lock down. In this demonstration, your lead goes up, your springs go to the inside of each, and the blacks go on top. They grab and allow to lock into place. From the bottom side, simply just push up and allow to snap into place. To rotate, simply feel for the 360 gimbal and start to rotate. Turning the LED light on and rotating the light. With an optional remote control to control the LEDs, we could turn the lights on, decrease the light by going down to 10%, and increase it all the way up to 100%. We could go in 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of control of the remote control. You have the options to put your 4 recessed lights anywhere imaginable, rotate it any way you like to direct light. This is 2600 Kelvin and higher as we go in changing over to the switches. You can set each individual light and then close up. You have the lights that you could put anywhere imaginable, drop ceilings, tall ceilings, ceilings that are angled, and more. and adjust the light accordingly to your liking. It is a 360-degree swivel that rotates. You can face them up and face them down. If you need to further change the angle by rotating the whole system, you may do so. So you have recessed lighting from PowerAsia, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.